Okay, so what do we have here? This box has the screen protector for OnePlus 3. This is the wipe to clean the screen, and this one's the tempered glass. Okay, so just keep it aside for now. And this is the case for the phone. Tarkan, like the singer, and don't go naked. So it's just a transparent flexible case, perfect for OnePlus 3. I'll just keep it aside, and coming to the main thing here, the OnePlus 3 box itself. This is something interesting here. Dash charge, created together with our fans. Yeah, that's something to note. And the box itself is like a little bit damaged. It's not like 100% damage free. You can see it wasn't handled well. Well, that's okay. I don't care about the box. We have this nice red color box. I really like this red color. And view the phone itself. And wow, this thing is really good looking. Yeah, you have this power button here, and this toggle switch here, and the volume rocker, the USB Type-C port with the 3.5 mm audio jack, and the speakers, nothing on top, and the rear camera with the flash. Man, I should tell you, this thing feels sleek and stylish. Yeah, it already has a screen protector, as you can see. Yeah, so that's a good sign. I won't be needing the where's that, the glass protector. And I love this sound. Yeah, so let's switch it on. You have this nice little animation going on. You have these shortcuts, gestures basically, to wake your device, open the camera, toggle the flashlight, and some music controls there. Okay, so it's all set up, and I must tell you, the phone itself feels really great, and the build quality itself is, I think, top notch. When you watch it in the video, it feels okay, but when you actually hold it in your hand, the metal body and everything, it feels really nice. I think I'll give it 8.5 or maybe 9 by 10. Yeah, it's very, very good. Yeah, 6 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, Android 6.0.1. The phone itself is like really smooth, I think, and obviously the sensor right here is also lightning quick, and it's like one of the best fingerprint sensors out there. And the best part is this toggle switch. It's in silent mode. Priority notifications and all notifications. I mean, to put this slider in the middle, you have to be a little careful, because it'll just slide all the way down or up, but to put it in the middle, you just have to, be a little bit careful. That's it. It's okay, not a big problem. Everything else I think is totally fine, and yeah, I think this is a solid piece. Okay, so let's keep this aside and take a look what's inside the box. So this is, what is this? It's kind of a box inside a box, and another box inside a box. So what are these? Stickers? Oh, so you have stickers, OnePlus stickers similar to Apple, and some safety information, and we don't need that, and the SIM ejector too. Yeah, I really like this red color, it's really appealing. And what's this? Something to read. Friend at OnePlus, blah 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 blah. Thank you. And a really good looking data cable here. Wow. Yeah, I have never seen a cable which was like wrapped in some real plastic stuff and all. Hats off to that OnePlus. Yeah, this is great. And the USB, micro USB. Yeah, that looks great. And the dash charger here. Wow, this thing is heavy. This thing is surely heavy. And also it's a little bit weird looking, but I think the dash charge is like really good. It just charges your phone in half an hour, I guess. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, so where are the earphones? I don't see any earphones. Seriously, there are no earphones, man. Wow. I was searching for the earphones and no. That is weird. Come on, OnePlus. You don't give earphones with your phone. How weird is that? No. Inside some box. No, I don't find any earphones. Well, this is... I didn't expect this. Come on, man. No earphones. Wow. Let's try on the case for the phone. So it slides very easily and it feels okay. I mean, it's not like really thick or anything, considering that the phone itself is like really thin. So this case itself, it gives a sleek feel to the phone, and you can see the back side and everything, and it's obviously it gives some protection. Yeah, it doesn't really add any extra weight, any extra noticeable weight at least. Yeah. Yeah, so the case feels good. If you like what you see, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, use the comment section below. And thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.